Hello guys, TomoChJS here, and this is where we left off after the second tutorial. So, we have values declared on, values declared on different variables. But we can actually declare different variables like A and C. We can actually declare or create the variables in one line. So, if we want to do that, we would do it this way. We remove that and we do A equals 10. This I learned you in the last tutorial, the way to declare or give a value to the variable in the declaration of it. But if we add a column there, a dot, point, whatever, we can write another variable. So C equals 2, and this way we can add multiples. We can add M equals 20, but I'll keep to the two first ones for now. And you can just add multiples over the whole line. So now we have a variable A, which is 10, and C, which is 2. I'll just remove these. And I'm gonna create a new variable called B, and B is gonna be A plus C, which means that B is now 10 plus 12, which is 10 plus 2, which is 12. So B's value is now 12. And this way we can actually do times 2, so it's 20. This way you can do math by using the integer values. That's fun and enthusiastic, but we want to do something so we can see it, right? Okay, so I'm gonna teach you something called the cout statement. So basically what you write is you write cout, then two less thans, two less thans, and a quote, a double quote, whatever. And everything we can write in between these double quotes, like if I write hello, this will be printed to our screen. So this is a way for us to print information to the screen. So let's have some fun with this, shall we? Let's make a hello world program. We actually don't need this right now. I'll create them later. So what we want to write is write cout, two less thans, double quote, then we write hello world there, and then we write a semicolon at the end of this. The problem with this, as you can see, we have a squiggly line on this one, and that's because we need a return value. I'll explain about this later, but just write return 0 and then a semicolon at the end. We're gonna need to have this one because we have an int here. I'll explain that later. Don't worry about it. Just write return 0 at the end there. So we've written our cout hello world, and now let's try to run this, see what happens. So we click the start debugging up there, or we can press F5 and we'll press yes. As you can see, it instantly closes itself. That's because it runs this program, gets here, prints it to the screen, then it goes down here and returns 0, which closes the program itself. Well, we don't want it to do that, right? We want it to stay here for a little while. We want to be able to read it. So we write cin, which is the same as the cout statement, only you expect something in. Basically, a cout is a console out. It prints something to the console, while a cin is a console in, which expects you to do something to the console, like press enter or write something in. So you press cin dot get in parentheses, cin dot get in parentheses, and then a semicolon at the end. This will request you to press enter to go forward. So let's run it again. Yes. As you can see, the text now says here, hello world. And it's waiting for us to press enter. So right now we're waiting here, waiting for us to press enter. So at the moment we press enter, this program will terminate, because it will run down here and return 0. So it will close down. So that's how we write a hello world code. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.